Hi, families. Hi, students. So, today, to introduce addition, we're going to use some different shapes, and this is going to help us review our shapes and also talk about how we can put numbers together. Now, this is really, really important, but know that some students may already be doing very well with addition, and you might need to make the numbers harder for those students. So, you can certainly practice a few of these reviewing your shapes. But if you need to practice harder and harder numbers, make sure you're providing the correct challenge for your student. So, and maybe I want to show two orange squares. So the learning coach would say two orange squares plus one green triangle. How many shapes do we have all together? Because remember, addition is about putting things together. So I'm asking you to put these shapes together. When we add, we would want to count how many there are all together. So I see that there are two plus, remember, this is the addition sign, plus one equals, how many are there? Right, there's three. And if you weren't sure, you could count each shape. Now, we can do another one and we can make it harder. Now, learning coaches, we are really using a lot of the language of math. So you can, of course, make these as easy or as hard as your child is ready for. So I might say, show me one rhombus, and here it is, and two hexagons, and four trapezoids. And your child would have to click and drag the different shapes and add them all together. Now, of course, this is a much more advanced problem because you're asking your child to show three numbers. But if you wanted your child to have an advanced problem, you could do 1 plus 2 plus 4 equals, boys and girls, how many shapes are there all together? And you could, of course, direct your child to count each shape until they came up with the number 7. Again, learning coaches, it's really important to make this harder or easier based on your child's needs. But the point of the lesson today is to get your child practicing putting numbers together and reviewing their shape names. Keep up the great work, and I hope you enjoy exploring with this in the next activity.